Reading practice number 7. Gentlemen, I have just accepted a new position with the Washington Manufacturing Company, and I must do a great deal of traveling, I will be away from home 8, 10, or 12 days every month, because I do not like to carry a large amount of cash with me, I would like to apply for a national credit card, I understand that the national credit card is one of the best forms of identification available, and that it is accepted by more than 800 hotels, airlines, and services stations throughout the nation, I also understand that there is no initial charge for this credit card, and that it carries a line of credit when registered with an approved bank. Please send me an application blank and any information I need to get a national credit card. Sincerely yours, Reading practice number 8. Dear Mr. O'Brien, thank you for your letter asking for specific information about the national credit card. If your card is registered with an approved bank, you will have an automatic line of credit, If your card is lost or stolen, you can get a replacement immediately at one of our 500 offices, We hope this information will be useful to you. Sincerely yours,